Hey guys, on today's video, we're gonna be unboxing this right here. So, just need to show you around the box really quick, because there's clearly not much to look at. There's some information on the back, but not much. But anyways, let's just open this up. So it is sealed with plastic. And here we go. So let's just open this up right here. And let's try to pull it out. There we go. All right, so let's just lift this up, and inside the box, we're gonna see quite a few things in here. So this right here, but if you guys lose it, no big deal. You can use an earring. Let's just put that on the side for now. We also got some manuals. We'll take a look at those in a minute. And here we are, the chargers. All right, here's our plug and cable. So right now, right here is everything you guys get with this tablet. You just open up the tablet really quick. And here it is. So let's just put it on the side. Let's take a look at everything. So the manuals you guys get with this. One of them is just your warranty and kind of a guide. And here we have our quick start guide, which I do have a video that shows you exactly how to handle this guy, how to set up for the very first time. So make sure to check that out. But this is good anyways, just to show you the basics of what this tablet can do, kinda. It's also good that it tells you where you guys can insert the card. Anyways, that's for that. Now this thing, this is to take out the card. Or insert one in, I should say. So here it is. So that's what you guys get. Again, if you guys lose this at any time, just use an earring. It's gonna be very, very easy. Just put it back so I don't lose it myself. And then to charge it up, get one of these. Let me just zoom in so you guys can see the details. So there we go. You guys can kind of see the details. That's one end of it. And here there's more details about it. Let me just see if I can zoom in even more for you guys. All right, that's the most I can zoom in so you guys can see every single detail about it. But that's the brick that we get with it. So this is the adapter. It's a standard adapter. I wouldn't say there's anything fancy about it. Then we got the cable. Let me just take out the cable. Just see, there we go. I'm gonna show you guys anything that I see here. All right, so here's the cable. So here we go again. It's your standard USB-C. There's not much to show you around the cable because you don't see any numbers or anything around it. It's very basic cable. And then finally, we got the tablet. So let me just show you the back of it because it's really nice looking actually, especially for the price. This feels pretty good quality. And down here below, you guys can see some information. Just zoom in so you guys can see that a little bit better. So this is on the back. You guys will see the model, serial number. So all that's gonna be on the back. So that's your quick way to seeing what serial number this has. On the back, you guys will notice the camera as well. So it does have a camera. There's two buttons on the side. And here's the slot for the card. No buttons here. And no buttons here either. Now when taking a look at the ports themselves, well, we just have the USB-C. This is for your headset. I should say headphones. And then up here, nothing. There's no more ports. Your ports are just in the bottom. So those are the ports that come on this specific tablet. Now, I know this is just an unboxing video, so it shows you exactly that, what comes inside the box. But I also want to show you how you guys can take this out. It's supposed to be very easy, but this tool is not the best. There we go. So we gotta apply some pressure to it so this pops out. And I just wanna show you where the cards would go if you were to insert any. It's a lot of pressure. There we go. So that's how this looks like. Just gonna put it back in. And again, it's not a smooth thing at all. At all. There we go. Compared to other tablets I've seen, that's not smooth at all. Anyways, if you guys want to check this out and see it in action, I do have a setup video for you. Right now, it's just to see what comes inside the box and just give you a quick glimpse around the tablet itself. You guys can appreciate how thin it is. If you compare it to my finger right now, you guys can see it's very, very thin. It's half the width But anyways, let's just power it on for the very first time. So to turn it on for the very first time, all we have to do is just hold on to the button here, to the second one. You guys will see that logo popping up. And it's just gonna start up for us. So right now it's just turning on. Just have to wait for it. And here we go. So that's how it looks like. So again, very, very basic tablet. And actually really cheap for the quality that it looks like. The screen itself is not bad. But anyways, if you guys want to see this again in action, make sure to check out that setup video. But as far as this video goes, I showed you exactly what's inside the box. A quick glimpse around the tablet itself. But that would be it for this awesome video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.